yesterday. So yesterday, you remember that we took some time and we went through this book here, The Lightning. Okay? I want you to turn to your shoulder partner. If you're a group of 3, you remember that you include the person on the end. And you're going to do the Rally Robin where we go back and forth and you're just going to name one text feature each. Okay, so the person, I want you to find your shoulder partner. Look at them. Awesome, we know where we're going. You're with the 3 of them. Okay, the person with the shortest hair is going to go first. So you're going to name a text feature, they're going to name a text feature. You're going to name a text feature, they're going to name a text feature. Okay, so remembering the book. Ready, go.
Okay, I didn't even look at that already. I know this name.
Okay, we talked about it and went over it, so just talk about any text feature you can think of. Okay?
Oh, no. Should I pick any? Yeah. I saw
Cat switch, other partner.
these maps to show like where if you don't know where like it's if you didn't know what part like probably to pictures to some parts to help the reader understand what the reason and kind of show like more detail to help with
Use it. So we're going to just write reason. Time to read through both of those articles, and I want you to look at the text features and think about why the author might have included those text features in this article. How might the article have changed if the author had not put that in there? Would you have the same understanding? So those are the things you're looking for as you're thinking. When you're looking for text features, when you find one, do you remember yesterday when we found one? We went ahead, I highlighted them today so we remember what we looked at. But we talked about exactly what it was and then the reason behind it. So for example, when you're looking at yours, you're going to say, okay, I found a photograph. Okay? So we looked at a lot of photographs in here, some really cool pictures of lightning. So I would write photograph. Okay? And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my little sheet that we have in our journal. And I'm going to find out what is the reason why an author uses a photograph. And then I'm just going to write that down over here. That's the purpose of a photograph. This part is just basically reading, looking, and what we're getting out of this is we're looking at our list of text features over and over and over to help those stick in our brain a little bit more. But here's where the next step comes. When you're done finding your 10 text features, I want you to come up here and on the back of your sheet, you're going to answer these 2 questions. And this is taking us a little bit deeper into the text. We've talked about how we're moving up to that next level now. We're not just recalling information, we're now actually digging a little deeper. So the first question says, and some of you can already probably be thinking, oh, I think I might be able to tell just from looking at the pictures. What is the most likely reason that the author chose to add a text box titled Flu Fighting Tips into the article? That's this one right here. Okay. So you have to read the article first to understand what was, but if you decide to go ahead and label yours 1 to 10, you might skip a couple of lines. You'll notice I added a little bit of space because it may need, for your reason, you may need a couple of lines. So I would skip, go 1, skip a space 2, skip a space 3, and you can go ahead and label to 10, please. Skip it. Okay. Hi, I'm Wendy Johnston, Fisher Elementary, and I teach 4th grade ELAR Social Studies. And today I was going to speak with you really quickly about how we get grades through journal responses, which I know is something that all of us struggle with. And one of the things that we use is a rubric. And for example, we have these templates that we use. And we just use the same format over and over again, and we change it based on what we're looking for. So whenever our children are done with our mini lesson, we have them work on their own using a text of their choice or a hand-selected text. And we have them work through in their journal whatever activity we want them to. And then they follow the rubric while they do that, and then we have them turn it in for a grade.